this lesson, we are going to continue with our project. As you know, we already have two functions: add item used to add item to the dictionary, and display items used to display the items we've already got in the dictionary. We still have about two functions to go. One is to update item, and the other one is to delete item. So now, let us proceed. Let us first of all write the option D, which is to delete item, and I promise you this will be quite a very short. To be a very short function. So let us proceed, and let's call it delete item, right? So delete item, and so let us prompt the user to type an item key. For instance, we ask for an input, and it will be type a key to delete. So we ask them to type the key of the item they want to delete. Once they type the key, then what else do we do? So let's check if the item, if the key they typed in actually exists. For instance, if item key, which we received from the user, if item key as typed in by the user in items, which means if that very item key exists, so what happens? If that is the case, then item, let us get the item from the, so the items, let us use the method pop. Pop is one of so many methods that that a dictionary has. So you have others, you have, so with pop, once you type in, you use the pop, what happens is that it just deletes the item and displays, we can display what got deleted. So now pop, let us put in here the item key that the user typed in. Once the item key is typed in, let us print the item key, or rather the item key, item has been deleted. Right? So what happens here is that once the user types in the key, then we check if the key actually exists in our dictionary. If it is there, we pop it out of the dictionary. We assign what got deleted here, and then print it here so that the user sees what got deleted. So we delete that, and then what if the key that the user typed in does not exist? What happens? In that case, let's else print the key, the entered key or key does not exist, right? Like I said, this is quite a very short function, so let us play with this and see that it works. So now let us, oh, first of all, let us call the function. Let us call it here. So this will be, okay, let's say, okay, or rather, wait, Let's say if option is D. If the option is D, then we call our function I delete item. Okay, now let us quickly try this and see what happens. So let's run it. Okay, so now first of all, let us see if we have anything in the anything to display. So let us choose option B. Nothing is there. There is no item to display. So in that case, let us go on and add some items. So let's choose A. How many items do you want to add? Let's say 2 items, right? So the first one is the item key. Let's say A. And then the value, let's say apples. I don't know why I'm using apples all the time, but uh, then the second key, let's say B. On the item, let's say Bravo. I don't want to use bananas again because I've used it several times. So let's just try something else just for fun. Okay, so now we've added 2 items. So let us list what we've got uh, in our database. We've got these 2 items. So now let us delete one of the items and see if our function works. So what do you want to do? You want to delete an item, and to delete an item, we use the letter D. Okay, so it asks us what item do we want to delete. So we have this key for Apple and B for Bravo. So let us delete the first one, which is A. Let's type A. What does it say? It says apples has been deleted, or apples have been deleted, right? So we have deleted the first one, so which means we just have the second one. So let us list what we've got again and see what we're going to find. So letter B, we just have one. So it means that our function is actually working as expected. So that is it for this video, and the next one would be one that we could use to update our dictionary. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and let me know if you have any ideas, any suggestions, so that I will keep on providing you with Python tutorials. Thank you once again, and don't forget to check out other videos related to this very project. I'm going to suggest them in the video. Please click and watch them and let me know what you think. Thank you so much.